Hello everyone, and Happy New Year from Studiolife and Faith on to be Setley and Logan. Wishing you a phenomenal year ahead and may all your dreams come true. Thank you so much for subscribing, standing by me, following, supporting. I cannot do what I do without you. I love you guys so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, getting around it. I was going to post this video on New Year's Day and it's been so bleating manic. I've not had a chance. How manic has it been? I've not had Christmas yet. Yeah, hoping for this week. So what has been going on? We had a phenomenal contest over the Christmas hauls and 4 major prizes went out. Well, will be going out the door this week actually. And 2 honorary ones. There's a lady coming this week to pick one up actually. And prizes involving canvas prints and art supplies. Yes, you never know what you're going to get when you subscribe to my channel, as well as like my art page. All kinds of fun stuff. Now, in that one day alone that I posted that last video, 3 new subscribers. Are you kidding me? Love you guys. I cannot pronounce this lady's name, so I just wrote down. Pardon my voice. Sorry to use. Charina? If I'm massacring your name, love, I'm really, really sorry. Don't know if the T is pronounced or the CH is pronounced, but there's your name, sweet. Thank you for subscribing. And thank you as well to sweet Lisa from Cross the Pond. Love you to bits. And then there's Stacy, or Stace. If I'm pronouncing that wrong, correct me do, because I don't want to muck things up. She is actually one of the contest winners as well. These 3 ladies are all artists, so this is fabulous. And I just want to say I love all my subscribers. You guys are amazing. So, welcome, welcome, welcome. Moving right along. Bye-bye. Now, what are we talking about today? Let's quite quickly talk about cleaning some erasers. I posted this on Facebook, and it was just a post, it was not a video. And these are the erasers I've been using for the last 2 years. This pack was bought at a dollar store, the Dollarama to be specific. And yeah, 2 years ago. There's 4 in a pack. Here's the other 2. These things have got quite a life spell on them because look at the size of this after 2 years, right? This one's a wee bit smaller, but it's still great. The rubber. If the best erasers I find, anyway, for drawing, sketching, are rubber versus plastic, because plastic is okay, but it really doesn't clean up as good as rubber erasers. Now, these are Quick Erase by, you can see that, Studio. There we go. And again, come in a 4-pack. I don't know if the dollar store still sells these because it's been so long since I bought them. I'm going to set them aside. Bye-bye. Now, 2 erasers. And we are talking about this stuff right here, which is sandpaper. You can buy sandpaper any place. Hardware shops. Dollar shops. Grocery shops. Some of them anyway. This particular pack came from the Dollarama, again. And there's 10 sheets in this particular pack. Extra fine, fine, medium, coarse. And it's no mind as to what you use for this particular thing right here, because it doesn't matter. They're 9x11 sheets. And this brand is Duramax. So, I'm going to show you what to do with that. We've got a piece right here. And we've got some grubby, nasty erasers. Now, this one's got some pencil on it, and this one's got some paint, and it's just, well, it's not that clean. So we're going to take this and the sandpaper. You can also use the sandpaper for shaping your erasers. If you've got an area that you have to get in really fine to fix a markup or do highlighting, yeah, you can do that with an eraser. And if you need a point to your eraser, all you got to do is some really extensive sharpening with, you know, your eraser and your sandpaper. So, and it works great. Look at this. All the pencil, go bye-bye. And all the muckabouts, what you get on this, bin it. Don't put in the bin, you know, all gone, not a problem. So all the pencil's gone, pretty much. There we go. Now we're going to go around here and look at this paint right here. Takes a little bit more effort. Look at that. All gone. And almost brand new. So yeah, this works really, really well. And it's cheap, it's effective. And hoping that helps somebody. Now what else are we doing today? We're going to set these aside. We are quite quickly looking at this. What is this? This is a new product I bought just the other day, and I've cracked the seal, but I've not opened it. I've not tried it. I'm familiar with the brand Studiolife because of these. If I can not glare you in the face. Let's try not to do that. 24 chalk pastels. These are soft pastel pencils. They are water soluble pencils. They are expensive pencils. They are like $35 a pack for 24. They sell them online. They sell them in certain shops. The local art shop here has not been able to get them. So yeah, I'm going to do videos in the future on techniques and stuff, what you can do with these. So I'm familiar with the brand and I like the brand very, very much. So here's Studiolife, and I wish they would not have named these what they did. Let's see if I can do this with a straight face. Woody 3-in-1. Okay. 10 pencils for $30. It's a little on the outside, but it says can also be applied on glass. I don't know, I've not done it. It comes with its own eraser, because by the looks of these things, they are one big butt pencil. Now, I've got on the back, I'm going to take my magnifying glass, because curiosity is stronger than vanity now. It says for little artists who love using lots of colour. Well, I'm little. Studiolife, I'm not going to say that name again. Multi-talented pencil, colouring pencil, wax crayon, and watercolour all in one. Water soluble. So, it's supposed to do a lot. So I've not tried it. Let's have a look at these things. Like I said, I've cracked the seal. You and me, well, you're the first ones to see this. I've not even tried these. So, wow. Holy Toledo! That is, yeah. I can see now where that would not be a standard sized pencil sharpener. Okay, set that aside. Now we're going to put the packet around here, and what I have is this. Lots of shiny things in the camera, sorry about that. This is a canvas print pad. Now, I'm not particularly happy with this. I use it for muckabouts. Actually, nothing serious, because I got this at a dollar shop. And whilst I'm a fan of dollar shops, you find a lot of good art materials there. Not this so much. I'm going up tomorrow to get some things, and I'm going to check out the local art shop, see what I can find in the line of a canvas print with them. Now, you can see it's quite flimsy, and it's not really, yeah, it's not really fastened well at all. But they're not. It says triple primed, great for all mediums, but I've tried this. Trust me, and it's very flimsy. So I know canvas off the frame is flimsy. I wouldn't be in this business that long if I didn't know that. But I mean, it's just, and it's really rough. It's as rough as that sandpaper what I just used for the eraser. So I'm not happy about that. So I use it for muckabouts. So we're going to test, fold this, not in your face. Here's all the colours, by the way. It looks like a nice flesh tone, if it does what it's supposed to do. So we're just going to set some of this stuff aside. Here we go. Right, now let's take something I can see, a bit of grey. And we're just going to draw something and see what it does. How does it feel? Feels rather smooth, sort of creamy. Comes off on my fingers. So I'm just going to do this. It's a little slow to fill in, but that's okay. Now, let's see if it blends at all. Ah, hello. Righto. That blends a wee little bit. It blends pretty good. Not too shabby. I don't have any glass to try it on. I've got plastic. That's not too bad. Really. Bit dirty. Wipe off my fingers. Welcome back, Rag. As a must in studio. Now, there's no white in here. That's a bit of a surprise. There's no white. Okay. So I'm just going to, yeah, I'll try pink. See how it goes over top. Because I am a mixed media special effects artist and we need to know these things. That's not bad. It's kind of a cool effect actually. And it does not come off on the pencil. Points for that. Okay, now I've got a wee bit of water here. I've got to watch my time. I'm running out of time. It's supposed to be water soluble. Let's have a look. Dip it. Not too shabby. You've got to keep dipping it though. It dries out quite fast. Now, I'm not going to know till this dries if I can come back with another colour on the top of it, or a dry on wet or a wet on dry. So I'll have to check that out. This is dry, so what I'm going to do is take this pink and just on a bit of it. Ah! See, now that does not work quite so well, does it? This is why we have test canvases and mock-about things, so that we are not doing stuff like this on a commission or a high-price painting that we're working on. So, I know now you can't put wet on dry. Doesn't work. So, later on, when this dries, I do believe it's going to take a bit. Yep. I will come back with another colour and see if I can go over it with the dry. And let you know tonight in my next video, and I will be doing another video tonight, hand painting some cards. So, thanks for tuning in and trying this product with me. Love you lots. Keep watching, keep subscribing. Mwah! Happy New Year. Love you, love you.